Remember the people who made sacrifices for our country's democracy. Our constitution, which guides us with fairness and equality, started on this day. We should support the values in our constitution and work towards making our country strong and united. Once again, Happy Republic Day to everyone. I would like to request our honored correspondent Sudhir sir to hoist the flag. Sir, please come over and do the honor. Sir, please. To the game winners on the occasion of Republic Day. First, I'll announce the 6th class chess and caroms. 6th class chess game. The first prize goes to Nagasushant P from 6th IPL. Nagasushant Yashwant P from 6th IPL. Third prize Yashwant P from 6th IPL. P from 6th, yes. Deekshit P